Students, let's come to another important and interesting topic of today, that is determination of latitude. So for this topic also I have drawn one diagram here which will help you a lot to understand it properly. So basically we measure the latitude in degrees and subdivision of degrees are necessary to find an exact location. First let's understand this diagram. As you can see here in this diagram, I have drawn the equator line at the center, which is at the 0 degree, and as we move on to the north pole or the northern side, the circumference of the earth decreases. What is the difference between all these latitude lines here? 10 degrees, but it is not an exact interval. The exact interval is 1 degree between the two latitude lines, but in this diagram we cannot draw 90 latitude lines because there is no space. So between the two latitude lines I have kept 10 degree differences. Normally latitudes are measured in degrees and subdivision of degrees are necessary to find an exact location. So you see when you find the location that 84 degree 22 minutes 34 seconds. These are called the degrees and the minutes and seconds. So let's understand it here by calculating. 1 degree equals to 60 divisions equals to 60 minutes. Means 1 degree means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 division, it means 60 seconds. Distance between 2 degrees of latitude is 100 kilometer approx. Means, let's come to the diagram again. The distance between these two latitude lines is 111 kilometer approximately. Means approx is this much. This is not an exact distance. Okay. So how this distance 100 kilometer came? Let's see here. As we know that circumference of a circle is 40,000 kilometer and 360 degree. So 1 degree of latitude equals to, let's divide this 40,000 circumference by 360 degree. So when we divide it, we approximately get 111 kilometer. So this is how we get the distance of 1 degree of latitude, means distance between the two latitude lines. For example, coordinates of Kolkata is located at 22 degree 34 minutes north latitude. So I was talking about this. See here, 22 degree, it is the degree, okay, and 34 it is minutes of north latitude. So 1 degree equals to how much minutes? 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals to how much seconds? 60 seconds. So this is how with this coordinate we find the location of a place. Now let me tell you the instrument to determine the latitude of a place. It is called sextant. What it is called? Sextant. I have drawn another one very simple and small figure here. See here, I have divided this globe into 4 quarters. And what is the degree of each quarter? The degree of each quarter is 90 degree. So what will be the sum of all this quarter? The sum of all these quarters will be 360 degree. So total 4 quarters are here. So 4 quarter equals to 360 degree. So how much will be 1 quarter? So 1 quarter equals to 360 degree divided by 4. So 1 quarter we got how much? 90 degree. So you can see here 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So when we add all this we get 360 degree. So therefore there are 90 number of latitudes are drawn at 1 degree interval from equator to north pole. Let's come to the same figure here. From equator to north pole, 90 latitudes are drawn at 1 degree interval. And same here in the southern hemisphere also, from the equator to the south pole, 90 latitude lines are drawn from equator at 1 interval, means 1 degree interval. So 90 plus 90 how much? 180. And the equator line 181. Okay, let's understand it by calculation here. Total number of latitudes equals to 90 plus 90 plus 1. 1 is the equator line. So total is how much? 181 degree, or we can say 181 latitude lines. Why? In the northern hemisphere leaving equator 90 latitude lines, and in the southern hemisphere leaving equator 90 latitude lines. So 90 plus 90 180, and add this equator line also. So total is 181 degree. But two poles are Mary points. Mary point means, see here, these are the two poles. So these poles are very small, so it cannot be counted as a latitude lines. So how many two poles are, how many poles are here? Two poles, and these two poles are Mary points, so it cannot be counted as a latitude lines. That means we have to subtract the two poles from total number of latitude lines. So 181 is the total number of latitude lines minus 2 poles equals to 179 latitude lines. So what is the total number of latitude lines? 179. How? Because two poles are Mary points, so it cannot be counted as a latitude line, so we have to subtract it from the total latitude line. So the leftover latitude line is 179. So determination of latitude, I hope guys you understood this. Thank you.